Good morning, dear students. Myself Preeti, your EVS teacher. Hope you all have done your work given of first chapter. Let's move to chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Sensing the World. Firstly, let me tell you what is sensing. Sensing means to get information about our surroundings and environment. How do we get information? Yes, only with the help of our sense organs. Dear students, as you all know, we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These sense organs make us aware about the things happening in our surroundings. Let me explain you how they function. Our sense organs react immediately and send signals to our brain through our nerves. The brain interprets those signals and gives instructions to our body parts, and accordingly the body parts react. So let's have a detailed study about our sense organ. Firstly, eyes. We all know the functions of our eyes. क्या काम है हमारी आँखों का? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही. आँखें हमारी देखने का काम करती हैं. लाइक टू रीड बुक्स, वॉच टेलीविज़न, एट्सेट्रा. इसके साथ ही ये हमें रास्ते में स्पीड से हमारी ओर आने वाली गाड़ियों से भी अवेयर कराती हैं और दूसरी डेंजरस थिंग से भी, लाइक एनी इंसेक्ट, एनीथिंग or stone or whatever things come in our way while walking. Our eyes send signals to our brain and our brain gives order to our body, and finally our body reacts and we become safe from any of the dangers on our way. Likewise, our ears help us to hear many sounds and alert us from the dangers around us. Now, our nose. It is the next sense organ. What is the function of nose? Our nose smells the pleasant and foul smell, the smell of tasty food or a smell from garbage dump, anything. So we are able to detect different types of smell through our nose. Next sense organ is our tongue. Our tongue has so many taste buds that help us to taste our food, like sweet, bitter, salty or sour. Not only taste, our tongue helps us to speak also. Now the last sense organ is skin. Our skin is the longest sense organ because our whole body is covered by skin. Our skin protects us and our internal body parts too. It helps us to sense and feel things. We can feel hot or cold things through our skin. Like अगर आपके पैरों में भी चोट लग जाए तो भी आपका ब्रेन तुरंत रिएक्ट करेगा, बिकॉज स्किन हर जगह अवेलेबल है और कोई भी फीलिंग्स को ब्रेन को इन्फॉर्म करता है. So we must take care of our sense organs. Now let's move to our next topic. It is good touch and bad touch. Good touch means the touch that make us feel nice, good and comfortable is all good touch. In this, hug and closeness from parents, grandparents, cuddling pets or holding hands of friends are all in this category. Okay, and what is bad touch? Bad touch means the touch of any person that makes us feel uncomfortable, confused or scared. Like if we feel hurted by the touch, then it is a bad touch. Students, always remember that nobody has the right to touch us except our parents. If we are uncomfortable with the touch of any person, we have a right to stop that person in doing so. If anyone does like that, that we will have to do, the first thing is we must be loud in our reactions. We can also talk to our parents about the wrong behavior of that person. Students, that person, let be anyone, if he or she behaves and make us feel uncomfortable, you must be away from him or her and immediately inform your parents. Dear students, you must be able to differentiate between the good and bad touch. So, here overs your lesson. Stay safe and be brave and bold. Have a good day. Thank you.